The world of cryptocurrencies moved for fashions, and during this year I have seen a boom of the DeFi, of the DEX, of the sticks and blockchain games, and now it's turned for the Metaverse, since during the last month we have seen a lot of projects related to the Metaverse that have exploded, standing out above all the madness. So in this video we'll discuss interesting projects in the Metaverse for you to check out. Let's go. So in today's video I would like to talk about different companies on the Metaverse. Like, this is actually gonna revolutionize everything, and I have already mentioned this on my previous videos, like companies like Decentraland, which is called Mana, Axie Infinity, but today I'm gonna bring you even new ones, and I'm gonna share some of the cool projects and the cool things that are actually doing, and I find it very interesting. So with that said, let's go. The first one I want to talk about is Decentraland. We have spoken about it before, about Mana, but I want you to have a look. Here when you come to play Decentraland, it actually gives you, like, some guides for as a complete beginner, and it's very interesting. What is this company about? You can see land is a non-fundable digital asset maintained in an Ethereum smart contract. Line is divided into parcels that are referenced using unique XY Cartesian coordinates. Each land token includes a record of its coordinates, its owners, and a reference to a content description file or parcel manifest, which means like you will have ownership over the land that you're building, that you actually buying on your virtual space. So this is something that is gonna obviously stay here to stay with us for many years, and this is just the beginning of something that is actually gonna revolutionize the world. So as you can see here, what is the marketplace? So the marketplace, you'll be able to sell parcels and estates of lands, wearables, and unique names, set your own pricing manner and expiration date for the offer. So you can buy different parcels, wearables, and you can actually make it your own. I can show you right here this article that this person sold land in the Metaverse for $362,000 in the Decentraland. And this happened when Facebook came with the news that more investors they wanted to go with the Metaverse, and they actually they really changed the game. So as you can see here, as it's part of the Ethereum blockchain, all this type of technology, all these type of companies, they are backed up by Ethereum with a smart contract. So it's actually incredible what they're doing. There's so much potential right here. You can see virtual and tokenized as an NFT just sold 362,000 of the current floor of Ethereum, and this came because of Facebook rebrand to metadata. That has changed the game. Another company that I want to show you is called Sandbox. I have mentioned it before, and it's a company that I personally love. I have invested a lot of my money on Sandbox, and I know that in the next couple of years it's gonna be great. So you can see here, like, you can as well create your own virtual world. You can open it's open to everyone, really. You can earn rewards, you can play on the Metaverse. Is backed up by all these different companies, including as all the major companies like Adidas, Nike, and so on. Everybody's getting into it, and you can see the Sandbox is a virtual metaverse where players can play, build on, and monetize their virtual experiences. We empower artists, creators, and players to build the platform they've always envisioned, providing them with the means to unleash their creativity. This is actually amazing that you can go to your virtual world and be able to buy land, be able to trade it, be able to get rewards, and be able to as well get a compensation for it. You can see actually that you will be able to do some mining. You can see the players can build and own and monetize their own virtual experiences. So you can come over here, you can check it out, you can join the community, and it's one of the companies that I actually love. Another company that I love is called Blocktopia. So Blocktopia, this company as well, is actually gonna revolutionize everything. You can see Blocktopia is a skyscraper made up of 21 levels to pay recognition to 21 million Bitcoin. Token holders will be known as Blacktopians. It will act as a central hub and welcome all the levels of crypto experience. For the first time ever, users will have access to crypto information and immersive content all in one place. You'll be able to earn revenue through real estate, ownership, advertising revenue, playing games, build networks, and much more by using the world's most advanced real-time 3D creation engine. Blocktopia will leverage this technology to create a stunning visualizations and user experience. So I'll recommend you to come over here, check it out. You can as well go into the net and check for the smart contract, for the contract that they have, and you could see the white papers and see what is the mission and what is the goal. So it's very interesting. You can generate revenue through multiple income streams, and Blocktopia will be a land of earning opportunities for Blocktopians. Following the idle, Blocktopia real estate will be made available for Blocktopians to purchase. All the opportunities will consist of passive earning, staking, and advertising. You can play, relax, socialize, have fun, and compete. So it's from my point of view, I think it's a great company. You can see more over here of the different earnings possibilities. The native token Blocktopia, buy, resell, at least virtual estate, receive income via advertising. So you can come on your own time, read it, and you'll find it very valuable. And another company which I wanted to share with you is called Sin City. So Sin City is as well in the metaverse, so you'll be able to own rated R metaverse center around the world to play and game, housing multiple gaming projects for an immersive experience. So how to survive and thrive in Sin City. Sin City works around the native token Sin. This is the game currency used to play to earn model based on various underworld activities. This is played within the vast metaverse of 15 plots of land consisting of most sovereign cities in the world. So it really reminds me to the GTA, to the Grand Theft Auto, and it's actually great. So I haven't started playing this one, but I'm gonna start playing because I believe it's a project that actually is gonna be doing very good on the oncoming years. So with that said, this is all the information that I wanted to share with you guys. I found it very interesting to go through all these companies, and I hope that you found it valuable. And I really believe if you go money to invest, you should be investing on the crypto market, and especially in the gaming industry. And I'm not a financial advisor by any means, and this is no advice on where you should invest your money in and where you should invest your money, or what you shouldn't invest. No. This is not like that. This is just research and information from someone who really likes crypto, really loves the metaverse, and find this world fascinating, very fascinating. Really, it's incredible. So with that said, guys, if you want to find out further information about crypto and you are a little bit lost on how to invest and so on, you can get started by clicking on the first link in the description. There is a very comprehensive course there where you can learn all the foundations on how you get started. So with that said, I hope that you have a great day and a great week, and take care.